This is a $50 not the post bonus, and I'm going to show you 3 information about this website, guys. The first information is going to be how to register and receive your bonus. The second information is the terms and conditions required for withdrawal of the profit. And the third information is the regulatory or the validity of the broker. Is the broker trustable, and all the sort information that is needed. And I'm going to show exactly without hiding anything. The link of this type of website is going to be shown in just few minutes within this video. So keep watching, guys, and let's get started. I'm here, the welcome terms and condition, guys. The welcome account campaign is held by Alchemia Markets, and the welcome account is for introductory purpose and only for new clients from not restricted countries who are interested in opening a live account with Alchemia Markets, guys. And you can see the welcome account is not allowed in Algeria, the Armenia, Australian, the Azerbaijani. Okay, you can see the list of the countries, guys. The list of the country here: the Iceland, there's Israel, and also Morocco, Norway, State of Palestine, Switzerland, Taiwan, Tunisia, Yemen, North Korea, Iran, USA, Indonesia, Venezuela, Vietnam, Lesotho, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ghana, Egypt, Russia, Ukraine. And these countries, is not, the bonus is not available for you guys. And as you can see here, and European Union citizens are not for a welcome account, cannot apply for this welcome account. And let's go further, guys. If you are in India, that means you are being supported and you can receive this bonus too. And as you can see, the expert advisors are not allowed. You cannot trade with expert advisors when you are trading this bonus. Existing client cannot apply for the welcome bonus. If you are already a client of this broker, you cannot apply for that welcome bonus too. The welcome account is in identical trading condition to the Classic Pro and other accounts. So what they mean here is that the account function the same as other accounts, and the client has the option to either raise or lower their leverage on the welcome account. So it's your choice to choose the type of leverage that you want to run while trading this account. And the welcome account is available for trading for 90 days from the day of opening. And once 90 days have passed, trading will be disabled, but the welcome account will still be accessible for additional 30 days to claim the end profit. Okay, so you can see the welcome account is available in US currency. And let's just talk about some withdrawal terms and conditions down here, guys, before we go further. And if you love this type of video, guys, just give us a thumb up, just give us a like on this video. We're gonna really appreciate that. And as you can see here, I'm going to read straight here on this point. And they reserve the right to reject the bonus or broker welcome account if the partial complete match the IP address. As you can see the rule of the IP address, they are saying here that you should not use the same IP address, or you should not use two different IP addresses. If you are using your mobile data, just use your mobile data to trade until the end. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, don't use mobile data. So you should only have one IP, and not two people can use the same IP. So those are the rules around IP address. And as you can see, the minimum of $50 and the maximum of 100 of profit can be transferred from a welcome account to a live account trading. As you can see here, guys, what they are saying exactly that after you make a profit of at least 50 and at the most 100, you can then transfer that amount to your other account, to your live account, from a welcome bonus account to a live account. And each client can make only one request to transfer profit from the welcome account to a live MT5 trading account. So you can only transfer this profit once, and you should only transfer the profit after you know exactly that you are done trading, then not deposit bonus. In order to make a transfer from the welcome account to a live account, the client must register a client area account using the same information provided using the account registration, guys. And this is very useful information. You have to register a client account using the same information provided during the registration of a welcome account, and provide the necessary identification documents to validate the client's account. So in order for you to transfer this profit that you made, you have to verify your account on client area with necessary documents as usual, ID or passport, and also the bank statement and so forth. And provide the necessary identification document required and that's the point here. And guys, let's go further. Open a live MT4 trading account inside the client area. Deposit a minimum of 100. This is the point that is important, guys. After you have transferred after I have transferred 100 to your account, so in order to request a withdrawal, you have first to deposit uh, a minimum of $100, guys. And this rule is the rule that everybody is looking for, and they wanna criticize this rule. But before we go further, guys, let me just tell you something. I'm not recommending any of these brokers. I'm just giving you information as they are, and I'm going to read for you everything. So before we go further, I want to go check uh, on whether you should trust this broker with your 100. So I'm going to read straight right away on the regulatory of this broker. Is this broker trustworthy? Can you trust this broker with your 100 US dollar deposit that you're just going to make to cover your profit? So before, I think there are no more important rules here, and you can get this document probably on my Telegram channel. Let's just go check out on the validity and regulatory of the broker. Here I'm on a website that I always use, guys, the WikiFX website that shows you exactly if the broker is legit or the broker is not regulated and so forth information, whether the broker have acted as a scam in the past few days. This website is going to tell you everything. And as you can see right here, the Alchemia market is scoring very low points, 1.6, which is totally small and totally just unbearable. And as you can see, they have been operating for 2 to 5 years, and they are saying they have a suspicious regulatory license. So this website is not trusting the broker, and they are not providing any information. So they are saying that if maybe the broker is registered and no valid regulatory information, please be aware of the risk. So that's what they are saying, guys. And as you can see, the warning low score, please stay away. They always give you this type of warnings when they see that the broker does not have regulations and is not registered in any ways. And as you can see here, they are just going to show you few information. The phone number is provided here, the company address, first STD, ST Vincent Bank Building, and so on. So they are just going to give you the company's address here and Facebook account, and that's all here, I guess, guys, and also the email. So the company didn't provide a lot of information about itself, and I'm not saying you shouldn't try it or you should try it. So it's up to you guys to make decision. And they are not labeled as scam. The company is not labeled as scam. It was only labeled as unregulated company, guys. And if you guys love this type of video, if you want me to make another videos reviewing this type of brokers, just show me exactly on the comment discussion below, and I'll go far doing that for you guys. And thank you for watching. Coming this far, see you again on the next video.